Production scheduling software should tell you what to make, which machine to use, and in what order. Yet I work with manufacturers every day who still schedule in Excel. Or worse, they've spent thousands on an ERP and still can't confidently tell a customer whether they can meet a delivery date or not. The problem is, with hundreds of systems available, how do you know if a software is built for the way you work or if you need something more advanced? That's why today I'm breaking down 4 of the top production scheduling platforms for all kinds of manufacturers. Whether you run a single production line or manage hundreds of machines, there's a system built for you. To start, I want to be clear that there are many different ways you can manage production scheduling. And each pick today takes a slightly different approach, because a software that works great for a small job shop will not meet the requirements of an automotive manufacturer. So if you're looking for the best production scheduling software built for your business, you can check out all of our top picks linked below or head over to softwareconnect.com for tailored recommendations. If you're a small manufacturer still running on spreadsheets, your first step doesn't need to be a massive system. MRPeasy is a modern, lightweight tool that most teams get up and running in a few days. It features an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface for scheduling jobs. It also has built-in conflict detection, so you're alerted anytime there's not enough material to complete a job. What I really like, though, is the Master Production Schedule. It's one of the few tools at this price point that combines long-term planning with short-term scheduling. For small shops, this means you get one place to view your entire operation, not just daily production. It's also more than just scheduling. The platform gives you BOM management, inventory tracking, and procurement. Some even call it an ERP, though I'd have to say it's a bit of a stretch since you want to pair it with an accounting system. And while it's great for a first software, it's still pretty manual. It won't automatically optimize your schedules, so you have to sequence runs yourself. And for master production scheduling, you'll need the enterprise plan, which can get expensive for larger teams. Which brings us to our next pick, JobBOSS². As a manufacturing ERP, it can run your entire operations, including finances. Though you can connect it to QuickBooks if you prefer. JobBOSS² is built around the workflows of a custom job shop, where every job routes to a different machine. I like to think of it as scheduling as a crawl, walk, run approach. You can start with a simple planning board showing each job's status and use the drag-and-drop scheduler to assign them to machines or employees. Then there's the whiteboard scheduler, which lets you view each machine's finite and infinite capacity. From there, you can run what-if scenarios and test out different production plans without messing with your live schedule. And finally, the Schedule Advisor alerts you to jobs that are at risk of being delayed. While it won't automatically reschedule for you, it gives you the details needed to get jobs back on track. That said, users often mention that its UI can feel a bit dated as compared to MRPeasy. And while it's great for job shops, JobBOSS² is not the only ERP with built-in scheduling. If you feel you're ready for a manufacturing ERP and want to explore options, I'd recommend watching our videos that break down the top options here. So what do you do once you have an ERP or a manufacturing software in place? Well, you likely aren't going to rip out your entire system just for a better scheduling. That's where I would recommend a platform like PlanetTogether. PlanetTogether is an APS, or an advanced planning and scheduling software. It sits on top of your ERP and pulls in production, labor, and machine data. Unlike most schedulers, which only tell you what needs to be made and when, PlanetTogether actually optimizes production. It will factor in details like machine capacity, labor rates, and setup time to deliver the best possible outcome given your real-world constraints. My favorite feature, though, is the Priority Optimizer. This tool gives you non-technical planners as a simple way to adjust schedules. Just move the slider back and forth to prioritize between factors like on-time delivery, throughput, or minimized machine setup time without messing with any complex formulas. PlanetTogether works for pretty much any production environment. I've seen it in high-tech, custom job shops, and even highly regulated manufacturing like aerospace and defense. That said, while it's one of the quicker enterprise systems to set up, it can still take a few months to be fully operational. And like most software at this level, if you have messy data or nothing to feed it, it'll take longer than expected. Which brings us to our next pick, Eyelit. Eyelit does more than just plan production, it can run your shop floor. For scheduling, it uses a patented AI algorithm to sequence jobs across millions of possible outcomes. And I mean that literally. 4 of the top 10 automotive OEMs use it to schedule their assembly lines with hundreds of different vehicle configurations. And just like PlanetTogether, you aren't required to use custom code. You can configure constraints using a visual interface, and it'll handle the rest. What I really like, though, is that Eyelit offers a complete closed-loop system. While most software can create schedules, once production starts, they're blind. But because Eyelit also offers MES, if a machine goes down or a job runs too long, it can adjust plans in real time. No need to update everything yourself. It already knows. And if you already have shop floor software, Eyelit works great as just an APS tool too. That said, it's priced for larger manufacturers, so if you're a small shop, it might be more than you need. I typically recommend Eyelit to our mid-market manufacturers struggling to make things work with their existing ERP. So that's the picks. Let's recap. If you have no software in place and just need something to start, both MRPeasy and JobBOSS² offer production scheduling as part of a broader manufacturing package. But if you already have ERP to handle production, that's when you should consider PlanetTogether or Eyelit for advanced planning and scheduling. They're excellent platforms that can get your scheduling to the next level. So while I only covered 4 of the best systems today, there are many more built for just the way you work. If you want to skip the research and get tailored recommendations that fit your business, reach out to us over at softwareconnect.com or use the link in the description to get started for free. Otherwise, you can take a look at our next video, which breaks down the differences between MRP, ERP, and MES up next. And if you stuck around this long, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment on what you're currently using to make production schedules. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.